After 50, losing weight can feel harder than ever. But what if you could burn fat gently, without pain, strain, or pressure? Tai Chi walking isn't just exercise. It's a calm, powerful way to awaken your body, balance your mind, and melt stress with every step. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how this ancient, gentle movement can help you slim down, feel lighter, and restore your inner peace, starting today. Each gentle step trains your balance, tones your legs, and wakes up your core without hurting your joints. As you move slowly, your breathing deepens, your mind quiets, and your body starts to feel lighter. Tai Chi walking teaches you to move with purpose, to walk with calm. And that's where true, lasting weight loss begins, from the inside out. The power of Tai Chi walking for weight loss. Here's what makes Tai Chi walking so powerful for weight loss after 50. First, it activates your core with every gentle step. Unlike ordinary walking, Tai Chi walking asks you to move with intention, shifting your weight slowly and evenly. This constant control engages your abs, lower back, and hips, helping you tone your midsection without strain. Second, it boosts circulation throughout your whole body. As your breathing deepens and your muscles move in harmony, your blood delivers more oxygen, turning your body into a natural fat-burning system. Third, it reduces stress hormones, especially cortisol, the one linked to stubborn belly fat. With each slow, mindful breath, your body switches from fight or flight to rest and restore, making it easier to burn fat and sleep better. And finally, it balances your hormones naturally, keeping your metabolism steady even as you age. You'll start to notice more energy, better digestion, and a lighter, calmer feeling throughout the day. So even though Tai Chi walking looks gentle on the outside, inside your body, it's quietly transforming everything. Your muscles, your mind, and your metabolism, step by peaceful step. Gentle practice, Tai Chi walking routine. Let's try it together. Stand tall and relaxed, with your feet shoulder-width apart. Let your shoulders drop. Your arms rest gently by your sides. Now, take a slow breath in through your nose. Feel your chest expand. Exhale through your mouth and let go of any tension. Step forward with your right foot, slowly, softly, as if you're gliding on still water. Shift your weight gently, feeling your center move with control and grace. Let your arms float naturally with the rhythm of your breath. Feel your body moving as one, steady, calm, and balanced. With each step, sense the earth beneath your feet supporting you. Now, take 10 slow steps forward and 10 steps back. Don't rush. Keep your breath smooth, your mind focused, your movements light. This simple motion strengthens your legs, tones your core, and improves your balance without pain or strain. And as you move, notice how your thoughts begin to slow down. Your heart feels calm, and your body starts to awaken. This is Tai Chi walking, peaceful, mindful, and deeply healing from the inside out. Tai Chi walking isn't about speed. It's about awareness. It's not about pushing harder, but about listening deeper to your breath, your steps, your body. Each slow movement teaches you to release tension you didn't even know you were holding. With every breath, stress melts away, your heart rate settles, and your mind becomes still. And here's the beautiful part. The more relaxed you become, the faster your body burns fat naturally. When your body feels safe and calm, your metabolism wakes up, your energy rises, and your body begins to heal itself. Just 10 minutes of Tai Chi walking each day can bring real change. Lighter steps, better balance, clearer thoughts, and a deep sense of peace that carries through the rest of your day. So slow down, breathe, and walk with intention. Let every step remind you that health, strength, and calm are already within you. You're simply learning to move in harmony with them again. If you enjoyed this peaceful practice, take a moment to breathe and smile. Remember, every small, mindful step you take today moves you closer to balance, strength, and calm. If you'd like more simple routines like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me each week for gentle Tai Chi sessions designed especially for healthy aging and natural weight loss after 50. You don't need to move fast. Just keep moving with awareness and kindness toward yourself. I'll see you in the next session.